Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, Jay Knows Credit. First, let's go ahead and start off with the hoodie of the day. It's one thing I just started just wanting to do because I just love hoodies. And if you want to tag somebody who makes hoodies or whatever and wants me to put in my video, I'll just do that because I just love hoodies because, I mean, they're my favorite. But anyway, so today's hoodie, or the hoodie of the day, would be the Fendi hoodie. So just going to see this. You can actually feel it. I'm not sure if you can see that. You can actually feel it, the embroidery, stuff like that. Now the hoodie doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be nothing like this. I just, have different hoodies that cost $5, on up. So it doesn't matter. I just love hoodies. Okay. So that's today's hoodie of the day. So salute to everybody who loves hoodies because they are my favorite piece of clothing. All right. But anyway, so today I want to get into this last week pretty much that we have of Capricorn season because I have a special coming out, or a special that's already out, let me say. And we've got a few people that's already started on this program, with it being $600. That's the price right now. But after tonight, which is Monday, 13th of January, this is going to be Pacific Standard Time, by the way. So you'll have time, if you're on the East Coast, to kind of get a little bit of that overtime to jump in it right now while it's $600. After midnight tonight on the 13th, it will be $700. Okay. Now, come Thursday of the week, that's the 16th, I believe. Thursday night, PST midnight at that time, going into Friday, that time is going to go into the $800 price point. And that's going to run all the way up until the end of Capricorn season on the 19th. After the 19th, midnight PST is going to go back to our regular pricing. Now, if you're familiar with Jay Knows Credit, you know that it's never this low for a price point. And if it ever has been this price, it has just been in this particular season. So, the cost is higher. If you don't know, most of the price ranges that people get with our services, as far as the one that is expedited. This is only talking about an expedited service that we do here at Jay Knows Credit. That starts off, it's always over $1,000. A lot of times it starts off like $1,200 to $1,400 is the starting cost. And so I won't be doing any rate increases as far as from there. Everything's going to stay the same prices throughout the year because everybody else is going up on prices. I don't want to go up on any price. They're going to stay the same. But right now, I'm doing this right now just for this time period in Capricorn season right now as well. You may want to check me out on the 15th, which that is my actual day of celebration. I may do something special on the channel for on that day for you all. So make sure you stay tuned on that day. Okay. But what does this include? This special includes any of your negative closed accounts. Okay, so any negative collections that you have, anything that, let's say it was a foreclosure or a bankruptcy or repossession, or like anything that's already closed out. That's what this service is for. Okay, for you to pay that. Now, if you want something more of just getting rid of like late payments, and that's all you need to get rid of is late payments, then this particular service may or may not be beneficial to you, because I am doing mainly just accounts for this price point. Now, as far as just doing the ones that's for just the late payments and stuff like that, you can give us a call here, and I'll put the number inside the description, but it is 919-588-9329. And you can actually inquire about what it is if you only just need late payments taken off. But if you are a person who already has accounts, those are already closed, they're already charged off, this is the service that you want to get. And the reason why you want to get it right now is because if I do it based on each item that you have, and based on the time it's going to take me to do each item and everything like that, it's going to be higher, just because all those things that have to be done. And of course, you also need a consultation first in order to even get a price point for that. So you're going to save here with not having to have a consultation, also not having to go through every item you have. So what that's going to do is it's going to give me a balance. It's going to have me basically having somebody else who might have, 30, 40, 50 negative items where they might have had to pay, 2,000, 3,000, something like that for that particular amount. Let's say, for an example, this is not real numbers. And now they only have to pay, the $600, $700 or $800 price point, which is going to give them a big savings. Now, somebody else who's just starting out to do it, they may have to pay that initial $1,200 or $1,400 for the same service that they're now getting for $600, $700, $800. So that is the benefit of that. So you're going to get all of your negative collections moved out. Now, this price point does have a time frame. We're doing a 120-day business day time frame. We are seeing results, really, really fast. But of course, we don't want to overstep ourselves and let you know, hey, it's going to be done in this time, because every profile is different. And if you know anything about credit, you know that it's better to under promise and over deliver than it is to give you a date and then everything not come off at that date. And now you're like, what's going on? So we hope to over deliver. We've seen a lot of over deliveries when it comes to getting profiles repaired now. So it's a very beautiful thing to see it so fast, like faster than I've ever seen it. So I'm loving the results. I look forward to helping those who are getting in with this price point. I know it's going to keep me busy probably until February with everybody that wants to get in with this price point, and that's going to launch us into some more information and more things going into February as well. But just letting you know, this will be the last special, the only special of 2025. So if you're looking for, I'm gonna wait till he does something on Christmas, I'm gonna wait till he does something during the spring, or wait for something for Valentine's Day. There's not going to be any specials for that. There's going to be just information. There's going to be, price points, but there's not going to be any type of big special for that. Okay, so if you want to get it, you want to get it now. So instead of giving you all specials, I'm going to give you a lot more value that you're going to see, and you'll definitely appreciate what's going to happen here at J Knows Credit. Okay. But we're going to take off those negative items that you have that are closed accounts. We are going to not have to charge you a consultation fee, and you're not going to have to pay the initial base price. You're getting that for basically half the price if you're getting in, right at this moment. Okay. So if you want to get started, there's going to be a number you can call. It's going to be in the description. I've already said it already, but I'm going to say it again. It's 919-588-9329. You can go ahead and call and text that number if you don't feel comfortable talking. Send a text, get information, ask a question. Hey, are you doing this? Hey, are you doing that? We're going to respond back to you as fast as we can. If we call and we miss your phone call, we're going to call you back as fast as we can. Even if you message us right at, the time or whatever, we'll still try to honor your request just based on when you're actually inquiring about getting started with the service. All right. So I look forward to those who want to get started. I will be available to make sure that you can get started with ease. And I hope to look forward, let's say, to working on your profile and giving you some results so that you can be excited about. All right. But this is J Knows Credit signing out. See you guys later.